Want to host a name server in Hostinger? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. Open your browser and visit hostinger.com. Once logged in, go to the Domains section and select Domain Portfolio from the middle panel. Click on the Manage button next to the domain you want to configure. This will take you to the Domain Management page. On this page, click on DNS/nameservers from the middle panel. You'll see two default name servers already listed. If you need more, click on the Change Name Servers button. By default, Use Hosting Name Servers is selected, but you need to change it to Change Name Servers. This will allow you to add Nameserver 3 and Nameserver 4. Once you've added the new name servers, click Save, and that's it. You've successfully created or modified name servers in Hostinger. And if you want to get a discount on Hostinger, use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive deal. Like, subscribe, and share for more tutorials. See you in the next video.